A very good morning, dear students. 8th grader, I hope you all are good at home. So, in today's session, we are continuing with the next topic of chapter 10. Chapter 10 is named as embedding elements. In embedding elements, we are inserting different types of elements like image, hyperlink, different type of audio or video clips. So, in today's session, we are continuing with the topic of inserting the images. How to insert an image in a Dreamweaver document. Every element that will be inserted in a document will be used for the purpose of making the document more attractive. So to insert an element, to insert an image, we have to follow some number of steps. It is a sequential process. Step by step you can insert any element. Come to the first point. To insert an image, first you need to select the cell. In which cell area you have to insert the image. It means you are talking about table. In table, we are selecting the cell first. Afterward, we are selecting the image. We will go to the image option. This is not an image, it is an option. Select the cell, go to image option. In image option, when you will open it, it will locate your image. It means you have to find your image from your computer system where it is kept. And afterward, locating the image, you have to choose the image, which image you are going to insert. 4 steps are there. Step 1, you have to select the cell where you have to insert the image. Step 2, click on image option. In image option, select the browse option. It means you have to locate the image. So locate the image, you will find out the image, which image you want to locate. And to perform the same, keep in mind one more point that is important. Keep your all images where you will kept in Dreamweaver folder, in same folder. Keep your all the images in the same folder where your project is saved. Folders should not be different, then it will be inserted, otherwise you are not able to insert the specific image. So these 4 steps are followed to insert an image. Next is, after insertion of image, you need to set the properties of image. Properties mean to say which elements we can add on. We can insert border, we can crop image, we can resize image. A number of operations can be performed. All such operations are performed by using the image property inspector option. To perform the image properties, select image property inspector option. In image property inspector options, you can crop the image, you can add border into the image, you can set the alignment. Crop means to say to reduce the size of image, to select the area which you want to insert from image. Border means to say boundary of your image, which color boundary, which size boundary, and how much thick boundary. This is the property of border. And alignment will tell the position you are inserting the image in the left side, right side, top or center position. This is the alignment. So you can add all such properties with the help of property inspector tool in a image. So you can use image property inspector tool. In that you will set the values and your image will be settled. Afterward, formatting the page properties. To change the properties of your web page, to perform the change in your property like background, text color, all such types of operation can be performed under page properties. So here we are inserting where we are formatting the property of background. We are changing the background. To change the background, to change the font, to change the size, to change the font type, each option is present in modify menu. So click on modify menu. In modify menu, you will select the next option, that is page properties. In page properties, you will set the value of font size, font color, font type or background. You can change the size, type, color or background. These all properties can be changed in the option of page properties. Afterward, you can reset your page properly. Alignment of your page, font size, color, type, every option is present in the option of page properties. And page properties option is present in modify menu option. Next step, that is creating the hyperlink. Before creating hyperlink, first get to know what do you mean by hyperlinking. Hyperlinking means opening of another document by clicking on one link. It means When we are linking one page with another page, that is known as hyperlinking. When we are clicking on one that link, another page will be open. So in a short form we can speak, to move the another page on click. Like suppose we are having the option here. Suppose I want to make the link on select cell. Here I have made the link. When you click on this option, when you click on this specific text, which page will be appear, which option will be appear, which document will be appear. This is the part of hyperlink. So we can create two type of hyperlinking, internal and external linking. Internal linking represents the linking of document within the same page. It means heading you are given upside, explanation is given at bottom. When you click here, it will directly go to this position. When you click here, it will directly go to this position. It means when we are linking the page within the same page, when we are linking the document in the same page, that is internal. When we are linking the page with another document, that is external linking. So to perform the internal linking, we will select the text or image where we are creating link. Afterward, we will go to the properties inspector option. In properties inspector option, you will click on the small folder. You will click on the small folder that is just next to the link. That is available just next to the link, and then you will browse the file, which file you want to open. And after you will select the specific file or document which you are opening and press OK. So steps I again repeat. Select the text on which you are creating the link. After go to the inspector option, properties inspector option. In properties inspector, click on the inside the link of text. To create the internal linking, you have to click on inside the inside the link of text field. And afterward, you will have to select the file. You have to click on the small folder next to the link. You will click on the small folder option next to the link. Then you will find out the file, which file you have to open. So go to the browse option and select the file and press OK button. Some concepts are same for the external linking, like select the text, go to the properties inspector. In that, click on the inside the link of text field. Text field is there, in which you will click on the inside of text field. Here we are clicking on small folder. Here we are clicking on inside the text field. And afterward, you will type the URL. Like I want to create the link with the page that is www.abc.com. So I will type the URL. URL means to say Uniform Resource Locator. Which website will be open? In that case, I can give the URL if I want to give the external linking. And afterward, click on target option. After clicking on target, this page will be linked with the specific URL. When you are clicking here, this website page will be open. That is external linking, linking the document with the outside document. And when you are linking the document in the same page, that is internal linking. Next concept is email link. If you are creating the link with email, on clicking email should appear. So for that, select the text where you are creating the link, go to insert option. In insert, select the email link. In email link, you will type the email address. Which email address should be linked with your this text, and after press OK. I again repeat, select the text. On text selection, go to the insert tab. In insert, you will click on the email link option. In email link option, you will type the mail address, and after you will go to the OK option. Your email will be linked with your text. And next is rollover images. Rollover image means to say when you are bringing cursor on that image, this image will be displayed. This image will be displayed. So to roll over the image, you will click on the insert option. In insert, you will click on the small triangle. Small triangle icon is there. You will click on small triangle. Select the rollover images. You will select the number of images which will be rollover. So select the image from insert rollover image before roll. First you will select the rollover images. Which images will be rollover on bringing cursor on that position. One image you will select before rollover. So next step is select the images before rollover, and then click on when clicked option. When we click there, then URL. It means when we click on the image, if you want to open any web page, should also open. Then you will select the URL address, type the URL address and OK. It means here we are inserting the rollover images also, we are inserting the image before rollover also, and we are inserting the web address also. When we click on this image, that web page will be open. So this is the link to insert the images for rollover, before rollover, and including the specific website address on click event. Afterward, we are having the next topic that is related to the your web document, and that document is related topic is embedding a flash file. If we want to insert a video file, in that case we can use the flash videos option. How to use the flash videos option? This is the next topic, that is embedding a flash file. Embedding a flash file. Flash file is used to add video in your document. Flash file can be inserted by two extensions. First extension that we can use FLV, and second extension that we can use, that is SWF. Two types of flash file extension we can insert a document to make the document more attractive. To make it more attractive document, we are inserting the flash file. So to insert the file in a flash option, we have to follow again some steps. First step, click on insert, and flash file is related to the audio video system, so go to the media option, click on insert, then go to the media option. Now in media option, what will happen? A dialog box will be appear. This is a dialog box. Go to on dialog box, then select the file which you want to open. Select the file and press OK button. This file will be inserted in your document. That specific file will be inserted in your document. Afterward, the next step, again one more point, which file you are inserting in your document, it should be in the same folder where your Dreamweaver project is kept. Where your project is saved, file should be kept in the same folder. Location should be same. Next is how to preview your document in a browser. Preview the document in browser. We can see the view of document in browser by three options. One option is shortcut key. Second option is preview in the browser. So first option is you have to select preview in the browser. Second option, that is shortcut key, that is F12. And third option that we can use, click on globe icon. Click on globe icon. So as per first option, preview in the browser, so click on the, these steps will be followed. Click on the file menu. In file menu, what will you do? You will bring your cursor on option preview on browser. Preview on browser, and you will press OK button. This specific file will be appear in your browser. This specific file will be appear in the browser. To select the browser, you can select the browser also which you want to use. Either it can be Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, any browser you can select to preview in the browser option. Next is F12. F12 will directly open your document in a specific browser, that is Internet Explorer. If you press F12, F12 will directly open your document in a Internet Explorer browser, that is also known as with the short name IE. And third option, click on the globe icon. So click on the globe icon located on the toolbar. Where it is available? Toolbar. So you will go to toolbar. In toolbar, you will click on globe icon. So your document will be appear. You will click on globe icon, and after clicking on the globe icon, this document will be displayed on your specific web document page. So after completion of this topic, we have again completed chapter 10 now. Today we have completed chapter 10, and after completion of chapter 10 your syllabus is also completed. Dear students, if you are facing any doubt in any topic, you can send your query on my WhatsApp number, that is 999118890. Send your query on this number. I will revert you back on the same number. Thank you. Have a nice day.